Hi, I'm Bill, shop manager, Madness Auto Works, Texas, and today I'm going to show you how to install the SILA Blow Off Adaptor Plate on the new Jeep JL. The first thing you need to do is remove the engine cover with a 10mm socket. Alright, the first thing you're going to do is take the wire off. This red clip slides up. Tab in. There you go. Then you're going to undo the 8mm screws. There's 3 of them. These are stock screws. Pretty aggressive thread pitch there. And these are the longer ones that come with the SILA Blow Off Adapter. And then here's your stock diverter valve. What you're going to do is take the plate, orientate it in the slot correctly, just like that. So now you take your assembly, put it in there, your top screw, get it started and it'll hold everything together. Just get it snug so you can wiggle the assembly around a little bit. Use a magnet to help you get it started. And your long T25. Get it on there like so. And then you go ahead and tighten this one up and then go back to the top and tighten your others two up. Last thing to do is put your engine cover back on. That is how you install the SILA Blow Off Adapter Plate on the Jeep JL. Thanks for watching. Any questions, please call or email.